Today we'll show you how to use the Squeeze Momentum Oscillator for trend trading in the best possible way. Let's dive in. But first, let's refresh our memory on what the Squeeze Momentum Oscillator is about. The Squeeze Momentum Oscillator by Algo Alpha combines squeeze detection with momentum analysis to identify potential market moves following periods of compressed volatility. The oscillator displays momentum through color-coded histogram bars, alongside a white line representing swing momentum, while simultaneously monitoring market squeezes through calculations of ATR and high-low differences. The indicator features customizable settings for momentum calculation lengths, squeeze detection parameters, and divergence identification. It visually distinguishes between normal squeezes, gray-orange columns, and hyper squeezes, yellow columns, with the latter indicating rapidly increasing compression. The momentum component uses green and red coloring to show bullish and bearish momentum, with intensity varying based on strength. Traders might employ this tool to anticipate breakout opportunities after periods of consolidation, particularly focusing on directional bias from the momentum components. The divergence detection feature adds another analytical layer, highlighting potential reversals when price action and momentum disagree. For our strategy to work, change the underlying oscillator value to 100. This will help us eliminate market noise and make it perform better in trending markets. We're not going to watch the squeeze part of the indicator in this strategy, and will only focus on the momentum oscillator component. Long entry setup. The underlying oscillator's wave must cross the overbought level and stay green, while the swing oscillator's white line crosses below the zero line. Enter when it prints the white dot. Use your preferred risk management method. When the white line hits the overbought level and another white dot prints, this can signal a scale-out opportunity or complete exit, depending on market context. For example, if there are no key levels where price has reacted previously, it might be worth staying partially in the trade. However, if price is at a significant resistance level and you've hit your profit target, consider exiting completely. Ultimately, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to risk management. You must decide for yourself and plan your exits in advance. Short entry setup. For shorts, the underlying oscillator must cross the oversold level and stay red, while the swing oscillator's white line crosses above the zero line. Enter when it prints the white dot. In our previous video, we reviewed 5 advanced TradingView indicators with strategies coming your way soon, so you'll definitely want to take note of them.